back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perkiperkins. On my channel I do a lot of unboxings, skincare, makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. So today I'm very excited because, well, I'm excited and scared and feeling very insecure and vulnerable. I will be sharing with you guys my most recent purchase from Savage X Fenty. So if you want to see what I picked up for this winter season from Savage X Fenty, and you know, just any new cool programs that they have running, make sure you guys keep on watching. But before I go any further, don't forget, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, select all in your notifications. This way YouTube notifies you the moment I do any uploads. Lastly, if you do end up loving my video, I would greatly appreciate if you guys gave me a big old thumbs up. Or, you know, if you guys don't end up liking the video, by all means give me a thumbs down. A thumbs up, thumbs down shows me that if you like my content or you don't like my content. This way I know what I should or should not be creating. But alright you guys, let's get to it and let's start some sexy time with our bad girl Riri. And let's go. So as my title says, I recently did a pretty nice size haul with, well, to me, from Savage X Fenty. It would have been over $300 in retail, but they did begin a new program. I'm not sure when, probably in the last year, but they did begin a program where you're able to like sign up for $49.95, but that is kind of like a credit, kind of like Just Fab, for example. If you guys have ever shopped there, you know, it gives you like exclusive discounts, free shipping, free exchanges, you name it. But you're also able to skip, even if you do get charged. That stays as a credit for you so that you can actually purchase anything on the website. The membership is really, really cool, and they also have like other secret sales, and they have a lot of cool stuff that I have like on my notifications, and they told me that they upload new styles and stuff like that on the 1st. So I'm currently waiting for some new products to drop. I want to just show you guys really quickly what I picked up in my Savage X Fenty.
So I picked up the Forever Savage leggings and the Razorback bralette set, which were on sale. I wanted to show you guys how the set looked on me. They were very, very comfortable, and they weren't tight at all. And for me, I felt that they were very nice. Though the bralette, it's a little loose on me, so things were kind of drooping, but it's okay. But these sets, you guys, I feel are great, and they're available in so many sizes.
So this is the first bra I picked up, and it's this really beautiful lacy lavender bra. So this is how it looks like. Personally, I don't like having like a lot of wire actually normally, and a lot of padding. It's just, it feels uncomfortable to me. I just really like the quality. Overall, they wash really good. Though the one thing I would like to note is don't dry your garments. If anything, if you know how to hand wash, that's the best. If not, do it in delicate in one of those little baggies, those you know, those little fragile bags, and wash it in delicates, because otherwise these will fall apart. I had a couple bralettes recently. My husband was helping me. He threw it in the dryer, and just, you know, but I mean, they're 2 years old. So here's this guy. Again, it's really, really nice. It also has this cute little tassel, the little X. So, and I forgot to mention, so for like the bras, bralettes, and stuff like that, when you first sign up to the Savage X Fenty, you guys were given the opportunity to buy 2 for $29. So that's actually an incredible deal, because that bra alone would have been $39.99. Or again, if you're an official Savage X Fenty member, they have other promos where it makes it like 50% off. So it would have been like 20 something dollars. I picked up a lot of stuff. Since the last time I actually shopped for lingerie at Savage X Fenty, I actually lost quite a bit of weight. So I am a little bit concerned to see if the stuff's gonna fit, because I do know I don't fill it up as much as I used to. almost 3 years ago to now, I've actually lost about 60 pounds, even though I had gained actually 15 in this last year. But overall, in the last few years, I did lose, 60 pounds. So I'm not sure how things are gonna fit. And again, that's why I appreciate the fact that they will return these if they don't fit me. Back when they first launched, they didn't have strapless. So now they do, and I'm excited to try this out because I hate strapless bras because they're always so uncomfortable. And I saw some reviews and it said that the Fenty ones were really nice. This is a convertible bra, basically. You're able to make it to any style. It's available in several colors. And this is the second one I picked up for the 2 for $29. And the value of this on its own, like this guy right here, would have been $44.95. Anyway, so here's how the bra looks. And again, it has the little X in the front. And it feels really sturdy. And I do like the fact that it's like the 3 strap in the back because oh, it's a 4. Look at that. This actually has 4 in the back. So that's actually a lot more sturdier, and I've never seen any strapless that have this kind of rubber there. So I have really high hopes for this one because again, I have multiple other ones and I can never use them because they're just so uncomfortable. And these seem to have some kind of jelly grip to maybe make it more comfortable for me, or for their consumer, I should say. And it's available in many colors as well. So I'm excited to give this a go. Ooh, I don't think I'm going to fill it in. Yeah, I have this gut feeling I might end up having to exchange most of them. So these are the other leggings I picked up. This is like some kind of limited edition style. And again, I'm actually wearing the other one. The difference between them is this one has this little heart, and the material is just so nice and comfortable. I think they're great for lounging around the house. And it has the pink versus the other one has the lavender. Like regular retail, again, not being a member, was $39.95. I joined as a member, as a Savage X Fenty VIP. I got them for $19.99. So again, 50% off. And being that I've gone to so many stores trying to find like leggings that are comfortable and stuff like that and durable, that they're not gonna, fall apart, or when I bend over, they show your, your undies. These don't do that, and it has a nice give. Like, I'm very hippie, so for me, I picked up large. But once we go to the little tops, I have my next dilemma. Oh, these are the booty shorts. So I pretty much picked up everything to match each other, Again, I don't have very much loungewear, just cute, comfy stuff and they're just, again, they're so comfortable, and I love wearing them throughout the day. I'd rather wear a bralette that feels comfortable, it's not restricting, versus a wired bra that's just uncomfortable just to, just to be around the house. These are the adorable booty shorts I picked up that match the pants I'm wearing. And then they say Savage X Fenty in the front and the back. And then the tushy has the little X. Oops. And that's plastic. And again, the material is just amazing. And these were on sale for 13 something. So these were a really good price point. And again, if you compare it to like Victoria's Secret, in my personal opinion, Savage X Fenty wins hands down. Like, Savage X Fenty offers so many different sizes, styles, and everything to fit from, small to whatever size. I think I even saw them saying that they have like size E or like high up there that are very difficult to find. Like, so again, I appreciate Brianna, I appreciate Savage X Fenty for the styles and stuff like that they're making, because my daughter's having a similar journey as I did when I was growing up. Anyways, so this is the other bralette I picked up. Again, it's the one that matches the rose. Again, this is the same style as this, it's just a different design. It says Savage X Fenty with the heart. These are supposed to be like part of the Valentine's Day casual or whatever it was. I used the other style because I actually purchased two. But what I realized is, even though I like them, they're comfortable, I love having them on, but it doesn't pull them up as much as I used to. I accidentally ordered larges for the tops when I should have probably ordered medium. So for me, sadly, even though I do like this, like, I need it a little bit more fitted because these have such good stretch. Like, but again, the quality, everything is just impeccable. So like these bralettes, all of these little cute bralettes were on sale for $14.99. I've gone to Target and Walmart, and something as simple as this is 20 bucks now, at least. So again, this says high leg bikini. They might be the underwear. I know they had also some of the undies for $7.95, $5.95. Because I am a lot more hippier in the bottom than I am from the top. Like, I'm like, well, I'm like, you know. But anyways, so that was a little bit difficult to find stuff in my size. But this is the bikini bottoms. These, again, are super, super cute. I did not realize they're high-waisted, but hey, we'll see how cute. But again, it looks super, super cute, and the quality, and I like the fact that it's a high waistband. So it actually, what's funny, the leggings that they have kind of like diffuse my mommy pouch, which I'm like, hey, I actually feel comfortable walking around the house. Oh my gosh. And then I got this one. This was on sale for $10. It was like $9.95. It's this just cute little cotton bralette. You'll see a pattern. I got the lavender, and then I also got the black one. So this is, again, it's a very nice, very comfortable, oh my gosh, this is so comfortable bralette, but you do have the little snaps on the back, so you can adjust it if you need to. Again, I'm going to try it on because I might need to go down to a medium. But this is so adorable. I love the little lacing. It's just so cute. Like, this would be cute, like with a little cardigan or whatever, an undershirt. Again, if you're in a rush or anything like that, you could just pop on a t-shirt. You could just pop on like a little cardigan or whatever, and you're good to go because this looks like a little undershirt. So, these are adorable. If these go back on sale, I'll definitely be purchasing more of these. And I want to say they had up to either 4 or 5X. I'll put it on the screen because I forgot right now. And again, only because I just washed it, like the little bralette that I'm wearing, it didn't shrink. Like, I was hoping that the one I was testing out would shrink, and it didn't shrink. So if it is a little oversized, don't think it's going to shrink. It doesn't. So the card right here is actually just going over the VIP membership that I was mentioning in the beginning. Again, it's telling you you have exclusive everyday discounts. You automatically get a 25% off on products, unless of course there's a different flash sale. Like, you get 30 days to make sure the product actually fits and stuff like that. If you're not happy, you can return it or exchange it. Like, special secret sales for up to 65% off. Like, when you go on the website, it'll tell you there's a sale when you sign up to the email list, but you don't get full access to the pricing and the products until you subscribe. And sometimes, again, the sales are bomb. So this is my last item, you guys. I'm sorry, I'm like blanking out. Again, everything I pretty much got it to match. So I picked up the bikini style with the writing Savage X Fenty undies. Again, very, very cute, lovely material. I'm excited to try these out. Oh, they feel so good, you guys. Like, this is really good material. So those are all the items I picked up during my Savage X Fenty haul. Again, overall for me, I'm really excited for the products. Again, I had been using and testing out one of the other sets, which they're the exact same material and different prints basically. The only products that I have to test and make sure they actually fit is the actual bras, because the lavender bra plus the strapless, because little area is a little flat. So someday I'm gonna get those lifted. But anywho, and just really quickly, I wanted to touch base on the whole shipping and delivery. I ordered on like a Saturday night, and literally by Monday I already had like a tracking label for majority of my products. All but 2 items were shipped, I think, from a different warehouse, and this, for some reason, the second order took like 2 weeks to arrive, but the first large chunk of my order took only like 5 to 7 days. If you go with the standard free shipping, they do tell you, due to COVID, it can take up to 2 weeks to get your order unless you pay for like priority. And I'm not going to pay an extra 15 bucks for a priority. I was like, nope, I'll just stick to standard. Let me know what you guys think about my Savage X Fenty haul. I know it's a little bit different. I've done clothing hauls, but I've never done like lingerie. I just figured, you know what? I spend all this money. I want to show it because I know it's beautiful. And lastly, you guys, I would like to mention that I do have an affiliate link with Savage X Fenty. Again, this product I ordered on my own. I paid with my own money. This video is not sponsored, but I do have an affiliate link if you guys would like to shop at the Savage X Fenty site. I will have that link down below. But that special I had mentioned, the 2 for $29 for the bras, that is actually an ongoing deal as far as I know for, again, all new VIP members, which again, I think that's an incredible deal. And every in between like the 1st and the 5th, because that's when they do all the restocks, that's when you could find the, in my opinion, that's when you'll find like the hottest styles. If you guys do want to shop at Savage X Fenty, and if you guys want to pick anything up, I highly recommend that VIP deal, because again, just the benefits about it is really, really cool, and getting the 2 for $29 plus further discounts also in the future, I think it's incredible. And you can cancel at any time. You don't have to continue the service. And you can also skip up to 6 months or 5 months. By the 6th month, you'll be charged. So for the VIP, you guys, I will make sure to write everything in the description because it's like a lot of things and I'm going to get myself confused. If you guys are interested in shopping at Savage X Fenty, again, just I would love and appreciate if you could use my affiliate link. If you guys do use my affiliate link, I do make a small commission, which again, it does help me tremendously. Let me know what you guys think about my Savage X Fenty haul, and have you guys ever purchased at Savage X Fenty? I would love to know. And lastly, if you guys made it this far, don't forget to make sure and hit that subscribe button. Select all in your notifications. This way YouTube notifies you the moment I do any uploads. And if you guys do end up liking my video, I would appreciate if you guys gave me a big ol' thumbs up. But I want to say thank you all so very much. I hope you're all doing well, staying safe, and I will catch you on the next one. Goodbye.